I thought high school was just going to be straight like out of the movies.
When I came from grade 6 to grade 7, I was very nervous.
Those nerves are completely normal.
They are experiencing things for the first time.
So what we do is we try to host a variety of events throughout the school year.
In grade 6, we would come up to the school and we would do different activities.
Some of it is sports related, some of it is exploring or exploratories.
It was definitely a lot different from the movies.
All teachers are nice and all the students are so kind.
They do like a lot of stuff to try and make you feel included.
I felt that TA had a lot of freedom.
It was a really smooth transition.
When kids come into my class, I try to really get to know them and build relationships.
The sense of community in grades 7 and 8 I would describe as energetic and curious. These students have an opportunity to try things that they've never really tried before.
The thing I most enjoy about TA is like the positive attitude. You always get to see your friends every day.
During recess, we like to go outside and play volleyball.
Other days, we just kind of walk around.
I'm in band, so for 2 breaks I do that. Then I do choir.
It's different every day.
When I'm working with students, there's magic that happens that you can never predict. And it's great when the kids are excited because then I love doing my job and they're enthused.
Right now, we're learning about income and like budgets
and a lot of experiments, a lot of labs.
I've learned a lot about science and love to run around and do sports.
I've enjoyed what we've learned in art.
And there's culinary and you get to bake a lot of things.
I love the spirit days and you get to wear like the school colors and you get to go watch with your friends.
There is music and you get to learn new instruments, which is really fun.
It's kind of like a buffet. This is your opportunity to go up, try absolutely everything.
They get to see all the high school things that they can look forward to, like the band, the sports, even like our senior travel club.
And through that shared experience and teamwork, help them find that confidence. And confidence is huge.
Teachers have helped me boost my confidence by helping me learn and helping me deeply understand what we are learning.
I think that the teachers provide like enough support, so then if you need help, you can ask for it, but they still leave you room to grow.
We also try to keep ourselves like available and open, whether through phone calls or emails.
They're all very helpful when you like have a question or have a problem, and you can always ask for like support from anybody.
I'll try to help you figure out what you want to be and like set you up for success.
The guidance team here is really good. They really help you figure out what career you want to do.
Where you could go to school for them, what kind of grades you need, what courses you need to take in grade 12.
If someone was feeling nervous, I'd tell them that it's a great program. And
for grade 6 students, I'd for sure recommend it here. I love it here. I think it's a great school.
There's always like a very welcoming environment.
Everyone's just happy to be there.
I feel really proud to be a St. Thomas Aquinas student.
Absolutely. I would definitely recommend TA to a grade 6 student.